I know it sounds odd, but if you're going to prepare for sleep at nighttime, get ready for the day. If you can get early morning sunlight exposure, now again, this is absolutely stellar ideal if you can get sunlight exposure before you get exposed to man-made lights. And if you're barefoot, grounded, imagine that, waking up with the sun. Because what does the sunlight do? Sunlight literally increases melatonin production. Okay, it changes your hormones. You're talking resets your circadian rhythms. The direct sunlight exposure can activate mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells. Now, if you're like me, where you go to work in the dark and come home in the dark, get at least 10 to 15 minutes during the day where you can get outside and just get that direct sunlight exposure. You can utilize full spectrum lights on the inside, but nothing beats the sun, baby. Get out there 10 to 15 minutes a day, and this is going to reset your circadian rhythm so that you can actually prepare for sleep tonight by getting sunlight exposure today.